Hello! Welcome. And if you can, please enjoy the show.
Hey loves, it's Lavishly Britt. You already know what we're about to get into. I got paint in my hair is dry, and I know you probably thinking, well,
why are you gonna straighten it right now if it's this terrible?
Good question, sis. A lot of you could learn because, let's be real, a lot of you be taking your hair from this to the silky tresses. You ain't got to lie. I'm just gonna show you my process and what I'm gonna do in my case. My routine today is gonna be a little altered to get me where I need to be. Yeah, let's just give you a good look at this first though, before we get into anything else. Like, look at how dry my hair is. Like, I'm pretty sure this is some breakage back here, and that's why it looks so crazy.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
So if you thought we were about to be in the shower this soon, you're mistaken. We all should know that if your hair ain't clean, don't be trying to throw the flat iron through it, okay? You just gonna be sizzling, baked up, caked up product, and that ain't it. I'm gonna use this today as a pre-poo because I don't want to just jump in the shower with my hair like this. Okay? It is very dry, and I don't wanna just throw shampoo on it. You know, first, give my hair a little love, a little TLC. Never hurt anybody. If it's genuine and it's real, love should not hurt that much. So as you can see right here, I'm actually filming this little clip on my phone. I'm just showing you what I got laid out. I got the conditioner, a big wide tooth comb, scrunchie, which I won't really need, my favorite detangling brush, and it has been my favorite for a while, which is the Felicia Leatherwood brush. You should know that if you've been watching all my videos. I know you watching my videos. You should have subscribed already too. But yeah, so I got everything laid out. I just set out some clips. I love these, but I need more of these. They expensive though. I'm not gonna lie. But I'm gonna get more. And my spray bottle, which you always ask me where this is from, and it's from Sally Beauty. I usually try to remember to link it in the description box. Most of the time when I straighten my hair, I'm ready to go back to curly. I love my natural hair. I love my curls. I love my kink. I love that the comb is struggling to get through my root. I love everything about my natural hair. Like, I would not trade my hair. Honestly, I wouldn't recommend you do any of what I just did. Spray some water on that. I know better. Why didn't I do that? Like, sis, that hurt. Now I have my hair in what is a more workable section. I have type 4 hair, I have thick hair. So if you do have thick hair and you're gonna be working with your hair, and this goes for every stage of your hair process, as far as how you handle your hair while you're doing this, because you can be using the best product, but if how you care for it and apply it and how you're manipulating your hair is terrible for your hair, it's gonna be terrible for your hair. Sis, take your time. Sometimes this is a step that you're missing in your hair care routine. I love this conditioner. Period poo. So, as you see, I am now using a wide tooth comb just to kind of break up some of these pieces that were kind of like matted in a way before I go in something with like a detangling brush. I do this sometimes because I just find that this is sometimes way more gentle. I haven't put a comb through my hair since I blue dried. Ooh, y'all always talk about my husband. Here I go talking about some blue dried.
I'm saying you blue dried it. As in
blow dried.
You blue dried it.
See, he be rubbing off on me. That's why y'all gotta be careful who you marry, okay? And I go in with my Felicia Leatherwood brush, and as you see now, it's gliding through my hair. Like, no tangles, not an ounce of pain for me at all. And what I like to do in this case, keep the hair separated. Keep it separated. I'm just going to twist it on up. What I did to this piece, I'm just going to do to the rest. In the meantime, I'm probably gonna listen to some music. Y'all gonna jam while I jam too. And
Try, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego.
I'm done pre-pooling my hair. It feels so much better. Yeah, this ain't really that much hair, okay? I know it may look like a lot, but to me, this isn't. I chose to go in with a clarifying shampoo because you need to make sure you get all the dirt, all the grime, all the product buildup off of your scalp. So the first product I'm gonna go in with is Weedad Clarifying Waterworks Shampoo.
Kiss still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you why.
So just like I went for a specific shampoo, I also went for a specific deep conditioner, and I went for this one from Diva Curls, which is the Deep Sea Repair Seaweed Strengthening Mask. This is not my first time using this deep conditioner, and I absolutely love it. It is a strengthening, so it's more on the protein-based side, which is something I actually want. I am about to apply a lot of heat to my hair to get it straight, so I want to make sure my hair strands, the cuticles, and everything can withstand this heat and is strong enough to not allow it to penetrate it and break it down.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends.
Tell me where you hiding, where do you go?
Fools drift into deep space, so brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it, each and every high.
Now, this step right here is optional. I am a low porosity natural, so for me, doing this step, while it is a bit of a hassle sometimes, it is very and highly beneficial for my hair. Steamer right here, I'll have it linked down in the description box below. Helps any and all products absorb better into my hair. And since I am about to put some major heat on my hair, I want to make sure it's strengthened from the inside out. So steamer is what's gonna help me do that. So yeah, I'm gonna hop up under here for about 15 to 20 minutes. There it begins. I'm gonna go ahead and set the timer on my phone. Let's go.
I've got 30 minutes if you wanna spill your mind. Give me all your reasons to why I should take my time. Used to have forever, but you never kept that.
So here is what my hair is looking like. Fresh from up under the steamer. My hair is nice and toasted. Yeah, now I'm about to just get ready to hop in the shower, rinse this all out my hair thoroughly, and then we're gonna get it on and poppin'. Hey, we almost there.
Do it again, do it again, do it again. Do it again and we won't end up as friends. Do it again, do it again.
We're now on to the second most important step when it comes to straightening your natural hair, and that is the blow dry process. Now this process, you want to again spend as much time as you need on and make sure you get your hair as straight as possible as you can get it with the blow dryer. There are numerous ways. There's a tension method, paddle brush method, things like the actual paddle brush blow dryer, as well as the old faithful, which is the comb attachment, which is the usual way I prefer to blow dry my hair. However, I do think I may use a combo of the two today, so I think I'm gonna start out with this one first to get my hair pretty much straight, and then I'm gonna go in with the comb attachment and maybe even another brush to just focus on getting my hair as straight as possible. Now, like everything else, I do have some products that I want to use. So I'm going to be using this leave-in conditioner, which is a Miracle Leave-In. It's a 10. This is not cheap, but I've heard plenty of great reviews on it, and I'm hoping I like it as well. When it comes to straightening my hair, I like to use products that are usually on the lighter side. So things like this that are a liquid leave-in conditioner versus a cream. I gotta use a heat protectant. So I am going to use this Chi 44 Iron Guard Thermal Protection Spray and just lightly spray this over this section because while I do want my hair very straight, I do not want heat damage. Just like I've done in all past steps, I'm going to separate my hair into smaller sections because the key is to definitely get your hair straight as possible, and trying to blow dry all of that at once is not gonna get me hair straight as possible. Lightly detangle, make sure there's no tangles, which there shouldn't be. Especially if you keep your hair twisted up and out of the way when you're not working with it, you will not have the problem of your hair tangling up over and over. So I am gonna go in and just spray a little bit more of this leave-in conditioner, then a little bit more of heat protectant, definitely making sure I get my ends.
What can I tell you? What can I do for you to tell me that you're into me too? Could be a safe ride, your place to hide. So come and tell me that you're feeling it too. Everything has changed, dreaming about your face. We could be so great. Could be a steady. I could be a steady. Will everything last? Why are we waiting? Steady, I could be a steady. You wait for nothing more, won't you see it? I never let you down, I'd always make you proud. So come on.
Alright, so truth be told, my arms are higher, and I'm definitely not doing that good of a job up top, because this right here is what I want to show you. This is not acceptable if you're trying to straighten your hair, okay? This got to get much straighter. So I'm actually just about to go ahead and switch blow dryers. I do live in Florida, so it's a little humid. I'm a little sweaty up in here. So yeah, I'm going to just get this all together because I refuse to go try to straighten something like this. So if you're in the blow dry process and it looks like this, since you're going to keep working, I know you're tired. I'm tired. My arms hurt. My fingers hot.
I don't take no chances. Fill up all the blanks with lemon sprinkled ice. Please don't ask me twice. Rhythm got me bouncing. Bottles got me crashing. Don't you know? Don't you know that I'm just in it?
So I'm going to be giving my hair a trim, and this time I'm giving myself a legit trim. I know the last time I said I was giving myself a trim, it turned into like a legit haircut.
You're quite good at that, dodging all my questions. Wrap your arms around my neck. Such a decent price, earning my affection.
Okay, so I'm not really sure what happened to the audio in this section, but I was just talking about the new flat iron I had bought from Ulta. Y'all, this thing is the truth. Just watch the video and see. It's a bit on the pricey side, but if you're interested, I'll definitely recommend it and have it linked. Now, I know I've been telling you all small sections this whole time, but now I need you to go extra small and get as tiny of a section as you can possibly get, because you'd rather do tiny sections when it comes to straightening your hair than trying to do a million passes over a very thick section. Take it as small as you're comfortable with. I'm probably going to go about that size, and I do the chase method, so using a rat tail comb in my flat iron, that's all I'm going to use. That's all I need. I'm probably going to do about 1 or 2 passes over like the root area, and then 1 whole to 2 passes down the hair strands. Make sure you get as close to that root as you can, girl, without burning yourself. I know it's hard. Be patient. Take your time.
Stepping on your roller coaster, going down, but I never felt this high.
girl feeling like Pocahontas in her prime or something right now. You could throw a wig on all day, sis, but let's be real. That wig will never amount to your natural hair being able to do this. Versatility. I'm about to actually just go ahead and get ready to do my makeup, so I'll be back with you in just a second. All right, so my makeup is done. We're gonna actually work on finishing up my hair. So y'all saw I only did one pass through majority of it, but I personally like the little feathered look, so I'm gonna give myself the feathered look. You know, my hair feels so good. It does not feel weighed down. I am absolutely loving my hair right now, but we just gonna let this feeling last while it can, because it won't be it forever. I'm so proud of my hair. To have cut off as much as I have and to still have this much left is a blessing. I'm not even gonna act like it isn't. I know some people are struggling, so hopefully I can help you all with that this year. So I'm gonna just put like a slight bump at the bottom, nothing too much. Like, I'm not doing much because when I turn around, I want it to kind of just be like not bone straight, but for it to kind of do its own thing. Like, I like to put my feathers curls like up that frame my face, so I don't really worry about any other place other than that section, really. And as you see, I'm taking pretty big sections because, again, like, I'm not going to be putting that much direct heat for the pieces that don't matter to me. Thank you, baby.
I've been walking down the street like an alien.
And as I'm doing these, I'm not gonna mess with them when they're like freshly done. I'm gonna just kind of let it fall as it wants to.
Daytime will heal, but I don't have patience. You packed your things, now we begin the erasing. All the memories slowly start to fade in. The days move so slow, I know I gotta go, but I can't get anyway, 'cause I'm standing low.
And this is what it looks like before I start combing anything out. And honestly, I'm not really going to even use the comb. I'm probably just going to use my fingers because I like it to be more of like the messy look, like I wasn't trying to get perfect curls. Ooh, I'm not gonna lie, these curls right here kind of make me wish I would have curled the whole thing. So let me just go ahead and switch on up and show you what I'm rocking with. All right, y'all, like, this is my final form and I am loving the look. Okay, I did decide to lay my edges just a little bit. Okay, it's definitely not necessary. I kind of preferred it, honestly, without my edges laid, but hey, it's done now, so it is what it is. But this is my style. I like a little pizzazz in the front, not a lot going on in the back, kind of how my body shape, you know? But whatever, I'm still cute though. I hope you all enjoyed this video. As always, remember, you're popping, you're beautiful, and I love you. Bye. And since you're still here, definitely be sure that you follow me up on Instagram. Video right there. I mean, you need to go ahead and watch the next video, okay? #binge.